In the event that you're searching for Solana cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Solana Sol will go from now on, we will break down the past costs of Solana Sol and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Presented back in 2017, Solana Sol means to furnish clients with market-level security foundation with extraordinary convenience among clients. The organization furnishes its clients with an exchange speed that nobody has at any point found in another blockchain project. The worldwide economy is changing extremely quick whenever contrasted with its past adaptations. At this stage, Solana comes to use the worldwide economy on an unheard-of level. Solana is for the most part known for its versatility, productivity, and speed. Sol was at first established by Anatoly Yakovenko. His goal was to fabricate an organization that would separate Solana from any remaining ventures as of now running on the lookout. He held hands with different designers to use the course of the undertaking. Just after its ICO, Solana cooperated with another task named Serum to assist with building the DEX application. The application was effective around then. The reason that the application served was that it made a biological system where the costs for the brokers were refreshed each 400 milliseconds. Solana is viewed as one of the top digital currencies on the planet. As a result of its exchange speed and unrivaled equal security, the coin is accessible on perhaps of the most renowned trade. Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase are a portion of the significant trades that offer Solana. Solana coins can likewise be gotten to through atoms in certain nations. With regards to its opponents, Solana is furnishing much better exchange speed with a very lower exchange charge. Solana utilizes the verification of stake framework, where the clients stake their cash on the organization and procure rewards. During the time spent acquiring rewards, clients additionally help the specific blockchain at its ideal. Solana past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Solana is $142.41 and Sol is right now positioned #5 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Solana is 447,288.12 with a market cap of $63,697,408,797. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Solana's cost has shown a decent increment of 444% as of now. Solana is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Sol is down to nearly 578% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Solana Value Forecast 2024. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Solana is supposed to reach at least value worth of $173.78. The Sol cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $212.74 with the typical worth of $180.99. Solana Value Expectation 2025. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $264.35 in 2025. The Solana cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $305.57 with the typical cost of $273.40 all through 2025. Sol Value Gauge for 2026. Solana cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $391.38 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the Sol cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $448.05 with the typical estimate cost of $405.05. Solana Sol Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $578 in 2027. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $671.01 with the typical exchanging cost of $594.21 all through 2027. Solana Value Expectation 2028. The cost of one Solana is supposed to reach at least degree of $865.19 in 2028. The Sol cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $112 with the typical cost of $888.96 all through 2028. Solana Value Expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Sol, in 2029 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at least degree of $1,244. The SOL cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1,491 with the typical exchanging cost of $1,279. Solana SOL Value Expectation 2030. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $1,863 in 2030. The Solana cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $2,155 with the typical exchanging cost of $1,914 all through 2030. Solana Value Figure 2031. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $2,685. The SOL cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $3,241 with the typical exchanging cost of $2,780. Solana SOL Value Forecast 2032. Solana cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $4.61 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the SOL cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $4,803 with the typical estimate cost of $4,200. Solana Value Expectation 2033. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SOL, in 2033 the cost of Solana is estimated to be at around a base worth of $5,875. The Solana value worth can arrive at a limit of $6,879 with the typical exchanging worth of $643 in USD. Solana Value Conjecture 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is essential, however opinion can be flighty. Inspecting current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments, however taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the greatest cost of Solana is supposed to reach $55,660, with a typical exchanging worth of $40,612. The base cost is projected to be around $34,569. SOL Value Gauge for 2050. Looking at authentic execution gives setting. However, it is essential to perceive that previous exhibition isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2050, the cost of Solana is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $67,747. The SOL cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $93,250 with the typical worth of $76,752. Solana Value Estimate Facts. What amount will Solana be worth in 2030? As far as value, Solana has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels. It is gauged that SOL will increment in esteem. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and business experts, Solana can stir things up around town cost of $2,155 till 2030. What is the eventual fate of Solana? The fate of Solana is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into SOL, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right system. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an